Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing a FNAF plush, but it's not really in a box. I have it out right now, and let's get started on this video. And just so you know, guys, it might be a short video today, but let's get started actually. Alright, and the figure of a plush is... it's a Phantom Foxy exclusive plush. Uh-oh. It slipped out of my hand. And man, wow. This guy's made out really good. Man, this one is only found at Target. Let's see. It's only found at Target. Target, yeah. But this is really good cloth actually. They used a really good material on this Phantom Foxy. His ears are less floppy actually. So stiff. Like a bow! But anyways guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and I'll see you next video. Bye!